Package in the mail from B&H Photo. Let's check this out. What do we got here? Yes, the new Rode Wireless Go compact wireless microphone system. Hey everybody, this is Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Today we're going to take a look at a new product that was just released. This is supposed to be the world's smallest and most versatile wireless microphone system. This is the Rode Wireless Go. So we're going to take a look around the box and what you get inside. So taking a look around the box, you see on the left your receiver, on the right is your transmitter. And that the transmitter comes with a clip that you can attach it to yourself. On the back just gives you a little information about the Wireless Go. And it comes with a receiver, a transmitter, a windshield or a dead cat, you get two of those, two USB-C cables, one SC2 cable, and a pouch. On the side here it's telling you that it's ultra compact. These things only weigh 31 grams. It has a built-in microphone on the transmitter, and it also operates at 2.4 gigahertz. So that's the outside of the box. Let's take a look on the inside. So to open this up, you could probably just rip open the top, but what I did is just cut the tape on the bottom. This will just slide out. You can see I already opened it from the beginning of the video. It's already been inspected. Then you just pull the tape and open it up. When you open the box up, here's the quick start guide, and it shows you what all the functions are. There is your receiver and transmitter. And then it shows right here, you just hold the power button down for 3 seconds and they'll be paired. How to clip it on your shirt and your DSLR camera. Well, here's everything out of the box. I'll go over them briefly. Here are your windshields or dead cats, and then if you look on the bottom, there's a clip there for your transmitter. Two USB-C charging cables. They have this Velcro strap on here to hold all this together, which is really nice. Your SC2 cable for your DSLR, and those are TRS connects on both ends. And there is your receiver and your transmitter, and everything will fit in this pouch here. Well, it's starting to get a little windy here, so if the camera's shaking, sorry about that, but we're going to take a look at the receiver here, and then on top that is your power button. You hold that for 3 seconds. Around the side is your charging port and your connect for your DSLR. You put your SC2 cable in there. And then on the bottom is your decibel levels. They go low, medium, and high from 0 to -6 to -12. And then right here shows if you're paired. And then on the bottom is your hot shoe mount. And now for the receiver, the power button is on the bottom and you hold that for 3 seconds. These things pair really quick. There's your charging port, and then on the top there's your internal mic if you want to hook up a lav mic, and then your battery life. And if you're paired, if you look real close, you'll see those two holes, and what you do is you get your dead cat here, and I'll try to put this on. You just got a little force, not too much. And then there's what it looks like. It holds on pretty good. I'm going to put my hand down here just in case, but I'm giving it a good tug. So that's how that's going to look. So before I turn these on, I'll just give you a little battery information. They both have internal batteries that last about 7 hours. You can also hook them up to like a battery pack for continuous use, and it takes about 2 hours to charge these. So now we're going to turn on the receiver here, and just hold down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and there we go. And as you can see, it shows you the power that you have. Over here it's looking to be paired. I don't have anything on it right now. And then, like I said, here's your decibel button. So right now you push it once, it's on low. Push it one more time, you have medium. And one more time, now you're on high. And I'll show you how fast these things pair. Just hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And look at that. Look how fast that is. It's already reading my voice. As you can see, the bar going across. And to cut them off, same thing, reverse. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. And there you go. So here I'm just going to show you my setup for my Nikon D71. Of course, you have the receiver on top with your plug, and all you do is just plug it into your mic jack along the side. That simple. Now this next one, bear with me on this one because this might get a little confusing. Let me get all this. On your transmitter, if you want to use a lav mic, the input there only works on a TRS. The problem is I have a Rode lav mic, and as you can see there, this is a TRRS. So what you're going to need to do, I have it right here, is get an SC3 cable adapter, and then you're going to put your TRRS into the adapter here. Now you have a TRS input, and now you can just put that into your transmitter, and now you have your lav mic set up. So now we'll just do a couple tests. I'm not going to get too in depth. There's already a million YouTube videos on microphones and sound and all that, but I'll just do a couple right here just to show you how it sounds. I had to take my glasses off so I could read the decibel meter. But now I'm filming this with my iPad Pro 9.7. I have this arm's length out, with the dead cat on, and this is on the low decibel setting. So now we're going to turn it to medium and see how that sounds. So just click the decibel level. And now we are on medium. See how that sounds. And now we'll turn it to high. Just turn on your, hit the high button there. And now we are on the high decibel level. So I need to know which one sounds the best. Low at 0, medium at -6, and high at -12. So now I'm just going to walk back a little bit. I'm going to have this on the medium setting. So of course, like you see, I have the dead cat. And I'll just move this around just to see what sound it picks up. Right up on my voice here. And I'm just going to leave this arm's length away. As I step back, now I'm about 20 feet away. And it's pretty windy out here, so you probably can't hear anything. I'll take the dead cat off. They say you can go back to about 230 feet. Now what I want to do is you need to take the dead cat off to hook up your lavalier mic. So now I'm on the lavalier mic. There's already been some videos out that say you can go back about 230 feet, or don't face your back to your receiver. I think if you don't go back too far, you can probably turn your back like I'm doing right now. But as I make my way back up, I think the sound's pretty good there. So I hope you enjoyed this brief overview. I'm sure there are going to be a million videos out there on the Rode wireless mic. So I hope you enjoyed everything. This works great. And on that note, Traveler out.